subscribe to Major Matata. We are cruising on Mombasa Road. So this Mombasa Road, guys, I'm going towards Kenanie. This Mombasa Road going towards Mombasa. I'm having some stopovers here so that I can be able to show you Mombasa Road. Yeah, we are going to Kenanie, place called Kenanie, and that building is called Crystal River Mall. I'm on Mombasa Road. This Mombasa Road, this is towards Mombasa. We are going to Mombasa, and that's the SGR there. You see the SGR somewhere there. Yeah, you can see it from here. That one there. So this is the famous Crystal Rivers Mall. This is a Crystal Rivers Mall here on Mombasa Road. So you've just come from the other side, from Nairobi. We are going towards this side, a place called Kanana. And that place you see, that place is called Devki. So that's where we are going, and then we go to Kenanie. Train, cargo train going to Mombasa. That's the cargo train going to Mombasa. That's a Tokyo. Very long. Cargo train going to Mombasa. Here, this place is called Devki. The campus called it Deviki. So the place is called Devki. I'm here. I'm going towards Kenanie. So this side, when you go through under this road here, that is going towards Kenanie. And when you go this side, you are going to Athi River. So Athi River, there's a town called Athi River this side. And this is the SGR railway line. This is the SGR railway line. It goes to Mombasa. So we are going to Kenanie, and the place is called Deviki. So guys, come with me. I'm going to visit my construction site. There was a small problem, but I don't think it's a big problem. I just want to go and see the extent of that problem, and then I come back to Nairobi. So we are going to this side. So this side, let me show you. This side is towards Nairobi. When you go this side, it's towards Nairobi. So these vehicles are going to Nairobi. This side, but as you are going to this side, you're going to Kenanie. And this side, you're going to Mombasa. Kitui, Machakos, Voi, Mombasa, Indian Ocean, you go this side. But when you go this side, you're going to Nairobi City. That's now the express road towards Nairobi. Mombasa Road, you're going to Kenanie with my brother, Mr. Elvis Jumba. Yeah. So I've decided to go and visit my construction site. So this side is occupied by, where we are going is occupied by campers. people from Kamba tribe, but because it's near Nairobi, other tribes have decided to buy plots for their their own homes, because people like building their own homes. That's why people have decided to buy here so that they can build their own home, like the way I'm doing. I just want to stay and build my own home, instead of renting in these estates, because the estates sometimes they are risky, thieves, it's dirty. So decided, even this guy, he has a plot also this side. Now I was going also to show him the plot. He has a plot. Maybe very very soon is going to start construction. Ama namna gani boss? So thank you very much, guys. Come with us as we go to Kenania. As I was telling you, we are going towards Kenania. Kenania is this side. And I've stopped here just to view this construction site here. Guys are building houses here, and I am admiring those houses. That's why I've decided to stop here a bit, then view these houses. Yeah, it's a company that is building some houses for rental here. People come buy and then they build for them the same design. I've seen some few houses here, the same design. So Kenani is this side. We go that side. We go up to Joska, and then there's a river here. You are supposed to go through a river here. So I don't know if the river is passable. Somebody told me it might not be passable, but let us go and see if the river is passable, because it's a big river. It's called River Mutomawe. It's called Mutomawe. So guys, come with me as we go to Kenanie. So guys, I'm going this side. I'm going towards Kenanie. Kenanie is this side. I'm building a house this side. This is where my plot is, and this is where my construction site is. And this is a company. They are building some houses here for rental. That's why they have decided to build a very big gate. This one is a gate, not a house. So I'm going this side. And when you go the other side, like this is how do you call it? Daystar University. And Kenene is this side. And then when you go further, that's the other side, it is Joska. So this road is supposed to be constructed, but it has stalled after we had a new government. So, but I think it is still in the plan for construction. So this is the area, guys. You see, this is the area. So this side, if you go this side, you are going to the river, you go to Mombasa Road, and then you go to Nairobi. So this is where we came from, and this is houses, our neighborhoods. So you go like this, and then you go to Kenanie. Ay, nimeharibu kiatu. We hapa hakuna njia bwana, kuna barabara. Guys, I was going to visit my plot, my building in Kenanie, but I've reached here. The river is full, you can't pass, so I don't know what to do. I'll just go back to Nairobi, because I cannot risk passing through this river. It's flowing very fast. So I'm in the river towards Kenanie. Kenanie is this side. So the place is full, the river, and I'm seeing rain coming. In the next few minutes, it will be raining. So I cannot risk myself going to this place. Where? Talk to these guys here. I've dirtified my shoe. Look at my shoe. So I'm going to see these guys here. So let's go, guys. I want to ask them how they cross here and where cars can pass. Ah, vipi boss? Ah, we umeambiwa namna gani? Eh? Ni ngumu. Ni kubaya. Ai, na hii maji inatoka wapi yote? Eh? We. Sasa mimi nachukua tu kwa sababu nitafanyaje? Nilikuwa nafikiria kuna njia ya kwenda.
Hata hii maji ikija hakuna njia hapa.
Hakuna njia? So they are telling me there's no road even if even if this water subsides, there's no road here. Sasa imebebwa hii. Hii na mimi nilikuwa naenda kuangalia nyumba huko Kenania. Daystar ni saa hii hata naima mvua. Na hata sijui ni wapi huko Daystar. So guys, I'm supposed to pass here and there's no road. Look at here. There's no road. There's no road totally. It has been swept away. Hii nini inaitwaje? Hii mto inaitwaje? Mto wa Mawe. The river is called Mto wa Mawe. Stony River. Stony River. Mto wa Mawe. So guys, I think I'll just go back to Nairobi. I don't have otherwise. River, you're supposed to pass through here and then we go this way. So this place that the road has been swept. So I don't think even if it reduces, they won't have any road around there. So it'll be forced to go through university, Daystar University, towards my land, my building where I built my house. So, and also this is the main road for our governor, Vivian Date. So I don't know what they are doing, but the road is supposed to be constructed. They are supposed to construct a big bridge here, but I don't know why they are delaying. Because, but it's good that they can come and see and weigh which type of a bridge they can build here. Because this river is so big. When it rains, it becomes so big, and all of this water is going to Indian Ocean. Imagine, like that. That's going like that to Indian Ocean. So I'm here, guys. This is the water. With my brother. Mr. Jumba. Here he is. I've come here to visit my plot, but now it has become impossible. I can't go through this, how do you call it? This river. It's a big river called Mto wa Mawe. Mto wa Mawe, Mto wa Mawe. Nashtuka. Kana uangalia hiyo nini? Mto wa Mawe. So guys, we are going back to Nairobi. These guys are risking their lives. I don't know why they are doing this. You know, you can go through this place, you pass through this place, maybe there is a hole somewhere, you slide inside, you lose your life. So it's no need to risk your life. So I was supposed to go the other side. But now it is impossible. I need to go back to Nairobi. This is called Mto wa Mawe. Or maybe this is their work. They are helping people to cross this bridge here. You can't cross alone, because you can be swept by this water. You might think it's going very slow, but it's going very fast on a high speed. So guys, it was dark. I know you could not be able to see this guy here. This is my guy. We've been together for so many years. We've stayed together in a same room. It's like a small room, like 7 by 7. It was even or less than 7 by 7. There's a small room there in somewhere called Bahati in Nairobi, Kenya.
Yeah,
So
Nairobi River.
near Nairobi River, just adjacent to Nairobi River. We used to stay together in 2003, 2002, 3 there.
Yes.
Yeah. So now we own our own houses. We own a house. Kitu ya kusema.
Sina.
The guy is very shy.
No.
Yeah, you know, not so many people are very confident when it comes.
Man of few words.
Man of few words, eh? Sawa sawa. It has started raining. We need to go back to Nairobi. Because if we stay here, we shall be stuck. So this is the river Mto wa Mawe. It has started raining right now. So we are just few kilometers from Nairobi. About 20 kilometers,
Yes.
from Nairobi. 20 even more, but around 25 kilometers from Nairobi. And here, Daystar University is just around here. It's not very far. So another guy has come with a car, stuck. Going back. Hata ningechukua hii video kutoka huko tukikuja. Hata ningefanya makosa. Na edit. So we're going back. My car is here. Need to go back before it starts raining. So this is the road back to main highway, Mombasa Road. So we are going this way. And this is the car.